In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the expression that's written in terms of a and b, given that a is equal to +2 and b is equal to -3. So you want to start off a problem like this always by replacing every single a in the expression with the value that's given to you, and also every single b in the expression with the given value -3. And also it's a good habit always to put parentheses for each time when you're doing it, put parentheses around that number. So we have the following. A squared becomes 2 squared times b, which is given to us as -3, plus now a times b. So for now, just plugging in, that's 2 times -3 plus b squared. And once again, b is -3, so that's the last number to plug in. All right, next is very important that you remember about PEMDAS, which tells us about the correct order of operations in which we should be simplifying a problem like this. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, those two always from left to right, and addition and subtraction to finish up the problem. And in our case, the only ones that we're going to end up using are the exponents, multiplication, and addition, subtraction. So let's label that. Exponents we're going to take care of first. Next, multiplication. And finally, when we're done with those two, we will take care of the addition and subtraction. So we have two exponents. Let's simplify those. -3 squared is +9. And for now, let's keep everything else. All right, so the exponents we took care of already. Next, let's do all the multiplications. The first two values that we're going to multiply are 4 and -3. That's -12. Next, when you're multiplying these two in the middle, you can use the plus sign that's in front of the 2 as you're reading this multiplication. So I can read it as +2 times -3, which is -6. And just write it like this instead of copying the plus sign and then -6 next to it. So right away, +2 times -3, we indicate the correct result, which is -6. And copy the last value because there's no multiplication there. So we're doing just one thing at a time. Finally, multiplication we're finished with. Let's do addition, subtraction. At this point, you can just go to from left to right and do all the addition and subtractions. Since -12 minus 6 is -18, let's write that down. And then +9 is equal to -9, which as you can see, that's choice A.